Welcome to another snake rescue vlog. As a snake rescuer, my job is to protect snakes from the public and protect the public from any possible harm. Recently, I received a call about a snake spotted near a well. When I reached the location, I found that the snake had just caught its prey, a frog, and was in the middle of swallowing it. Understanding snake behavior is very important during rescue. I patiently waited until it finished swallowing. Because disturbing a snake while it's eating can be dangerous for both the rescuer and the snake. After it swallowed its food, the snake tried to hide under a concrete slab. Since it was a checkered keelback, I knew that if it managed to enter the water again, rescuing it would become extremely difficult.
సార్ ఇది గట్టి మింగేసినప్పుడు కప్పని మొత్తం
మింగేస్తామా
మొత్తం మింగేస్తే
అదే చదివేలే మొత్తం
డిస్టర్బ్ చేయదు.
I carefully observed the surroundings, slowly lifted the slab, and gently secured the snake before it could escape back into the well. After safely handling and calming it, I placed the snake into the rescue box. The entire rescue took a few minutes and was carried out without harm to the snake or to anyone present.
ముతుకు చిన్న బియ్య
వదిలేరా ఇప్పుడు కిందకి లేదంటే అది వదిలేసాయి.
After the rescue, I gave awareness to the gathered public. Checkered keelback is non-venomous and completely harmless.
అక్క నువ్వు చెరుకో.
Snakes play an important role in the ecosystem by controlling pests like frogs and fish.
అది వామిటింగ్ చేసుకుంటుందని ఒక పక్క చెప్తాను.
ఫుడ్ వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా.
అదే
Killing snakes is unnecessary and illegal instead. Always call trained rescuers.
మాట్లాడండి, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, అలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
దానికి తెలుసు. నువ్వు పెంచుకుంటావు కదా ఆ రోజు పెట్టి. కాదు 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 రోజు